How to create Pokemon Go Trainer Club in your Android phone. Hello everyone, it's me Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your Pokemon Go Trainer Club account in your Android phone. The very first step is to launch your Google Play Store or App Store if you use one. On the top search bar you can simply search for Pokemon Go and install the latest version. Since I've already done that, I will simply open my Pokemon Go app. After opening the applications, you can see there is the option of Pokemon Go Trainer Club on the blue button here. When I tap on this, it will now take me to an interface like this. So for the access to Pokemon, it says me to log in my username and password. I have to create an account, so I will tap on Create an Account option. After tapping on the Create an Account option, it will again take me to an interface like this. Now just follow the all information right here. After you do that, here you will tap the region that you live in. So my region is not available right here, so I will simply tap other. And now it tells me is everything correct, and now I should just tap on yes it is, and now tap my email address and confirm the email, and then I should create my own username and password, and just like that your Pokemon Go Trainer Club will be created. So this is how you do it. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, then please hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you.